Hello everybody, welcome back to the video tutorial. In this example, we're going to have a look how we can use the data sent from the Arduino board to the serial port with the VVVV. First of all, let's have a look how the VVVV get the data from the serial port. If you remember the previous, if you look at this patch and click with the right mouse, you can see the sub-patch inside of these patches. RS232 is connecting the VVVV to the serial port. As we can see the previous examples in processing, we need to set up the baud rate and port name, and there is a check whether we're going to use this component or not. And then this particular node, grab all the information from the serial port, and from this section to there, they're passing all the information, and then send this one to outside of this patch. So if I click this one, right click, we can see the rectangle is coming up. And if I rotate the potentiometer, for example, we can see rectangle is changing the size. And if you press this button, it switches into two different shapes. And the same as the potentiometer as well. And if you look at this patch inside, you can see all the value. First value, second value is the value is passed through this process. So for example, if I press the button, you can see the second part is turned into the 0 to 1, and if I move this one, you can see the potentiometer value is being changed, and this value is continuously blinking because that is nature of the photoregister. They continuously change the resistance state according to the light results. So if I block that, you can see that value is dropped down into the 80. So that is become alpha value. And then with this part, we remap all the value for this visualization. So in terms of to draw the shape in 4B, we normally use the size from 0 to 1. But the moment the value we got from this one is way bigger than what we expect to use in 4B, we need to remap the data with the map node. So if you mouse over source minimum and source maximum, you can see the huge number, and destination minimum and the maximum is quite small range. That range, the value that range actually for be used. So the map function, map is exactly work same as the map in Arduino and processing. So Stellon is quite interesting things. So when we sending this data, the data is tied as the unpack. So Stellon is trying to unpack the data into 3 different individual components. So that component is used for transform. In the transform, X and Y is indicating the size of this the rectangle, and then second pin is a switch between these two shapes. So it's similar to the if statement in the processing. So if the switch value is 0 means show this one, and 1 means show this one, and then set alpha function. So we get this color, but they change the alpha value. So when we block that photoregister, the color of the shape is getting darker, and it's still moving along with that. Okay, so this example is very short video, but if you look at and how to data moving along, you will understand this. This video is quite simple, and as you can see that this video is quite simple, and as you can see, data is coming through this and going there and unpack, and we use potentiometer data to change the shape, and button you switch to these two shape, and then photoresistor value is used for changing set alpha. So that's about it. Okay, thank you for this short video.